Hey everyone, my name is Mac Patrick, and the purpose of this presentation is to equip oneself with the necessary knowledge and skills to create a professional PowerPoint presentation. It is strongly advised that the students in the HRD program should be proficient in using PowerPoint, since it will be utilized often for group and individual presentations. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to design a professional presentation and make use of the advanced PowerPoint features. So, let's get to it. All right, first I'd like to just highlight some of the tabs that PowerPoint has and just some of their features. So first we find ourselves here at the Home tab. Here you can select different fonts, different font sizes. You can bold them, italicize them, the color, pretty much anything you would want to do to your text, you can do it here on the tab page. You can also insert shapes, fill them with different colors or formats, and also add bullets and numbering. Moving on to the Insert tab, here you can insert lots of different things, one of them being pictures, videos, text boxes, word arts, etc. And we'll go a little bit more in depth about this later. Next, we have the Design tab, where you can pick different uniform designs for your presentation, transitions from slide to slide, and also animations. Moving on to creating our intro slide. It's important when you're creating your intro slide that the title is very clear and the audience understands what they're about to see. You want to make sure that it's bold and in big font, and then under that having your name, other group members' names, and any other information that your professor may want. After creating your intro page, it's easiest really to just go right up to this Design tab and select one of these designs that you feel fit your presentation the best. Now, just for the sake of this presentation, we'll go with this one. As you can see, the title of my presentation is still there, with also my name and the class, and it's very aesthetically appeasing. Not only is keeping a uniform design throughout your presentation important, it's also important to keep the fonts the same. Now, for this presentation, I went with the Times New Roman font. You can go with a lot of different fonts. Just ensure that they're not very obnoxious and that they're easy to read. Moving on to our second objective, I like to highlight some of the key features that PowerPoint has that allow you to enhance your presentations and also make them more appealing. One of these features is inserting pictures. Now, you can insert pictures from your own device, stock images from PowerPoint, or online pictures. The next feature I'd like to show you is how to insert a chart. So often our presentation will have statistics, and it's sometimes hard to really get those in a certain format. If we come up here to charts, there's lots of different charts to choose. For right now, we'll choose a pie chart, and we can decide to make it 2D, 3D, and after selecting OK, we can go back in and also insert our data. If you didn't like the colors preset that they had, you can also come up here to change colors, and you can pick from a variety of different ones. The next feature I'd like to show you is back here in the Insert tab. Now we'll go ahead and get rid of this graph as we don't need it, and look over here in the top right corner to where it says Media. Now here you can add videos. Now that could be online videos or videos from your own device, and you can also insert audio from your device or record your audio straight off of PowerPoint. Now these are both great tools. If you need to have a standalone presentation, you can just insert your voice and put it in the corner for playing. The last feature that I'd like to highlight is found here in the Transitions tab. Now here you can find lots of options for transition, and I'd like to note that not all of these transitions will be appropriate for a presentation, but to use your best judgment when you pick them. You can also change the duration of the transitions, whether they go in your mouse click at a different time, and you can also apply them to every single slide. Well, we've come to the end of this lesson. We've learned how to design a professional presentation and how to utilize advanced PowerPoint features. I hope that you all took away some things that will help you in your future presentations. I thank you and good luck.